Today I'm going to make a steak marinade. I often like to marinate my steaks before I bake them, or if we're going to barbecue them. I, you know, like to have them in the refrigerator for from everything from a half hour to a day, depending on the event and what we're trying to do. And so what you see here is olive oil. So olive oil, a quart of a red onion, a quart of a white onion. We have oregano, fresh oregano. That's what this is, and fresh thyme right here. And so normally I have black pepper and I have fresh rosemary, but I just haven't gone out to get any rosemary. So once again, the old faithful Italian seasoning kind of works as a substitute. I use rosemary a lot in the winter because we have lots of baked chicken dishes and turkey and all of that kind of thing. And so I'm just sort of out of fresh rosemary. I'm going to, again, I've explained the ingredients, and then I'm going to film how I make it. And you can use whatever steak you like. We like filet, so we're going to be using fillets today, as you can see there. And I'm going to put that in the refrigerator for about an hour and then pull them out so that we can have them for dinner. Also, I actually like branch and vine infused vinegars and oils. And so this, what you see here, is a scallion infused olive oil. And then the next one is a garlic infused oil. And so that actually does some of the flavoring for me. You can make your own. You can just use regular olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and garlic cloves here. Can you see it? Garlic cloves, and make your own. It's just a marinade. It's something that just settles. And so I definitely want to talk about that. I'll actually show you at some point how I make my rosemary oil and my garlic infused. At this point, I'm adding all the ingredients into the blender. I'm adding the fresh herbs, the onions, the pepper is being added, the Italian seasoning that would normally be rosemary is added. It's a quarter cup of the infused oil in this case. It could be regular olive oil as well. And I'm mixing those ingredients just slightly. There's no salt in the recipe, and so the steaks have a chance to marinate. I place them in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, place them in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then cook as normal. Now, if you want to add salt, you can add a little bit after you've taken them out of the marinade. And there's your steak.